Opoku Mensah to train komo. Ewa homano so Opoku Mensah be mo ache. Hello Opoku Mensah. Aha, what to say?
Nyame ada remode en kwa ache me gidi so so here.
Me ho ye pa. Achefo ni ahwefo a mo share Facebook 93.1. All live on SOMPA TV. Opoku Mensah a special special aid to the Director General, Doctor and Cancer. Ono aso ye ne kasama for Ghana Education Service. Any kind of little controversy. His Excellency the former president has waged in into and some alleged can say toilet cubicles are turning into dormitory saman kwalano hono or say on the time Ghana schools see schools in a dying dormitories de maomo na amampani na danko kufado na ma we nyina ba esan say development also your Ghana school onye e na akoma we nyina akoba e ti say bibi say aba e fa sobo ne mo no mu yi ano say
Baya mamencha Ghana fo nyina ne titi o mama jepene eti o SOMPA no mo sen hwe ya no pain so na me fa encha kese ma me nyano ma chechirefo Baya only Mr. former President Mahama or old student of the school.
That's right.
And no hokeni so Mami Lordina so your old student of the school.
I say a honor no mo che wa mo.
And Abaya Migidi is also we are old student of Kumasi Anglican Senior High.
That's right.
Migidi is a former school no and the Wakuma Suyi idea a begu ne mu ase e ben keka na baby school na kodru no on fa ne nim entwitwi for.
Bra.
The Inter-America sa we ni na ne say former President Mahama in 2009 a vice president. That was so a lead president. And within the 8 years, it is a project ban or Yaman former school. Brian, no calling a meeting former President Mahama any project via a school Muhono.
SOMPA 93.1.
I mean, come at a phone TB. Former President Mahama as a vice president, as a former president, any school via project. I want a former school at Edi Home. Nia Wayini in 2021, na school needing its 70th anniversary. The more the boy school is a very innovative, a old dormitory blogger, former president Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, at the mass school. And the renovation in Yema way open dormitory no. And those are not access so of fixing and a net and so or the net ball any liver bleed. Renovation our year it was our blog here and one about and I'm there to get. So Ocean Dormitory blog now the capacity here between 120 to 150 students.
I mean, can't check for more share and our Facebook. Over to my Facebook, sir. If you don't have the luxury of television, blog now, man, penny ko painty here. Now, what you see, upon on net no at that TV no so. Eti wow, when you're over to me, I can't walk or share. Not just Opoku, you on the see it.
Daddy,
our more anniversary no call renovation, ma.
Yes, a old blogger or no year renovation.
Okay.
The renovation or the day as part of the contribution towards their 70th anniversary in 2021. So, on your left, there is a huge building Kessie is where dormitory block. That's our building is Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo as part of an expansion of senior high school projects. And a 2-unit, 2-story dormitory block. Just a dormitory blocks in Tafomienu. A funny affair. Near me, woman, a more JCR, the TV room. A more washrooms, and ironing platform as part of 2-unit, 2-story dormitory block na another than Kwakufado. The mass school no. The capacity 500 students at a go. The capacity of 500 students at a go. It is a Obiepe Nian another than Kwakufado. At the Ama school no, in terms of expanding infrastructure. Another than Kwakufado near West City Ama school no. A 2-unit, 2-story dormitory block. A war the JCR, the very junior common room, but as a call Jimmy Ahome, share TV, Nena Sefo. And another Danko Akufado, up so, or the Ama school. No. Now, Brian, a woman is a dormitory block, school in Sakai. Old dormitory blog and former president, and Kroma at the Ama school. No, moving Kodani at the new blog. It is all called school Honoma. So, new dormitory blog, no, and had a huge facility accommodating majority of the students. It is the signature project, former President Mahama's any project be our school more. Aside the dormitory blog, there is a 6-seater, 2 separate 6-seater toilet facility added onto the facility government way at the Ama school. No? So I can give you the GPS address of that project here. Mabobosina, Ubibiana, Obejechiana, so Bekonom. Ebitimi Ako.
That's just say, my penny that your mama will sit down with school.
The video,
Kwame Nkrumah dan that danona. Okopenti
and Okopenti.
No, what you say, Lube said to two. And I didn't let Kobo said and Tontom you warm.
I know the net.
Okay. My move forward. Fijai headmaster. Ya interdicting or say Wakwaji illegal fees. The Bamcho Monfa GS Kratanon to TV no so na Opoku Mensah Memusa no ho asem Cassandra Chumampofo head public relations unit and the nsa ase omo chese GS krata no se Fijai SHS headmaster wakoje illegal fees Mr. Kenneth Agbomaze bajo Opoku mu chire musan
to say the statement ne kano sa pepe na etie charges be cost school monoma in Chey.
But Roma charges bay.
The very charges no at the amount is here.
Because
charges no are in 4 items. Charges meaning intervention classes.
Intervention their classes.
Intervention classes fee. 100 CDs for the 2 semesters. PTA dues, 40 CDs for the 2 semesters. And they say, special support levy, 150 Ghana CDs for the 2 semesters. So, come over 290. That is the charger.
Student to be a tier.
Student to be a tier.
Now, as a more approval such.
Within the free SHS space, there is nothing like, say, Akodebi, Atria, Sika, Ediama school. Maybe I'm say, so who Jessica, Ediama school now? But answer school to be more receipt and idea that say, what you have to do with Ediama by. So, you are receipt and say, illegal money in the Pacono or Jeffrey. These were the levies a buyer share and penny 421 and more. I catch a headmaster say on 19 yen na near a twaso so yeah twaso because free SHS no adibia na was a tiada than biano a buying a tiasa so had the former fee build up by a minimal say what the former fee build up in India every item on the bill, from examination, entertainment, library, SRC dues, sports fees, culture, co-curricular activities, national maths and science quiz fee, science development fee, development levies, utilities, feeding, maintenance fee,
SOMPA 93.1,
school uniform, house dress, PE kits, school clothes, medical exams, supplementary reading materials, exercise books, notebooks, PTA dues, incentive package, house dues, I buy extra as part of the free SHS. We don't expect Obi Ebegina Bedina what fan officer. So
now I don't know whether your boss, Director General, DG, it looks as if say Metmaka say Enyama Otiti Nyina or interdict headmasters, even the latest from Ghana National Headmaster Yamana Tranchain, which also on Tranchain, Dabena report, meaning say Fijai, see a mano committee in 2 weeks, Ghana National so 2 weeks, and the Ebasea na and Tansanabo or no, they are so trained no. More Rabia BBC see a daho no more. Say be out from say I say the bayo and now say it will be recommended by the committee.
Yes, I did be backed by a code of conduct. Every teacher, every head be a copy of your document. And you know, say Kobase and I say Yenshimuna near committee findings about any outcome about anybody determine the next line of action and management of the Ghana Education Service. Ebeshe ama yetu mwana mu.
All right. Opoku Mensah Spokesperson.
Okay.